Hey there, and welcome back to Fabric Monday number 352. We've got something new in the shop this week, and we also have several beautiful collections arriving soon, so I thought we'd take a look at what's here and what's on the way. We just received a brand new collection from Art Gallery Fabrics called Stillwater. This one's by Katie O'Shea. This line is calm, moody, and nature-inspired. Lots of river blues, soft greens, and gentle prints that would make a gorgeous quilt or soothing palette project. Next up is Candy Apple Sweetheart. This one is expected to arrive any day now. We still have fat quarter and half yard bundles available for pre-order, but once it gets here, we expect it to go pretty quickly. Calm and Content will be arriving by the end of November. We have bundles, kits, and wide backs available right now. The pre-order deadline for this collection ends in about a week. So if you want a kit, now's the time. They will disappear after the deadline. In January, we have Snuggly coming. This one includes bundles, wide backs, a panel, quilt kits. Snuggly is expected to arrive toward the end of January. Then in February, we have a fan favorite returning, Someplace Grand. Bundles, wide backs, and all of the kits are already available to pre-order. And right alongside it, Garden Therapy is also coming back in February. This one has bundles, wide backs, and quilt kits too, and it mixes beautifully with some of our other collections. So that is it for the week. There is a lot of fabric heading our way. If you want to make sure you don't miss your favorites, pre-order now and reserve your bundles and kits, particularly those kits, because usually after the collection arrives, those are no longer available. Thanks so much for watching Fabric Monday, and I'll see you next week.